Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 13th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 7th, 2024, our system has categorized Apple as a hold or accumulate, awarding it a score of 0.91. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently shows a loss of 1.04% since our original hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.21%, since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock currently sits in the lower section of a weak rising trend over the short term, which may present a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $222.54 be breached, it would first indicate a slower rate of increase, but it could also serve as an early warning for a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 2.09% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 0.92% to 7.83%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it points to a change of around 30.99% over the next year, with potential returns between 14.99% and 39.84%. This suggests a future price range of approximately $258.87 to $314.82 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, "A positive day on Wednesday for Apple stock, with a gain of nearly 0.4%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 13th of November, 2024, Apple stock rose by nearly 0.4%, moving from $224.23 to $225.12. During this trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.75%, reaching a low of $222.76 and a high of $226.65. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 of those days, resulting in a decline of 2.16% during this period. Notably, trading volume increased alongside the rise in price, signaling a positive technical trend with 6 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 41 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $9.25 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price was $237.49, while the lowest price stood at $164.08. Currently, the price is 5.21%, or $12.37, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. is making headlines today as analysts predict significant growth potential stemming from its imminent entry into the smart home device market. A wall-mounted display, internally dubbed J490, is set to launch in March 2025, intended to function as a central hub for home automation, video calls, and AI-driven navigation. This strategic move could energize Apple's growth trajectory and bolster its stock price in both the short and long term. Additionally, Evercore ISI recently highlighted Apple as a top stock pick for 2025, signaling confidence from key analysts in its continued market performance. The focus on smart home technology aligns with broader trends in consumer electronics, where demand for connected devices is surging. As Apple ventures into this lucrative segment, the anticipated expansion of its product portfolio could attract new customers and retain existing ones, likely boosting revenue and reinforcing investor confidence. Over the next few years, if successful, this initiative may enhance Apple's valuation and stock price significantly, especially as the market for smart home devices expands. In conjunction with this, investor sentiment could improve as Apple solidifies its position within an evolving tech landscape, suggesting that now could be an opportune moment for investors to pay close attention to Apple as it navigates this exciting new chapter. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 1st of November, 2024, it was reported that Maxim Group gave Apple a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays gave Apple an underweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that UBS gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts recommend the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 4th of November, 2024, and so far it has risen 1.4%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Apple stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average reflects a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more pessimistic forecast. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $228.53. Conversely, should the stock decline, it will find support from the short-term average at $224.89. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line converge in a unique combination. This occurrence is quite rare and is often followed by prolonged and substantial gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots generated a buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger also provided a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average suggested a sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 9 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 124 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $224.23. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically trades at a strong volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is regarded as low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.89, which is 1.75% between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 1.42%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is fairly typical, often observed in companies with established histories or consistent revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts are predicting consensus estimates to be $2.36. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $226.21. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $224.23. If this support level holds, it could present an excellent entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of November 2024, Catherine L. Adams executed an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. On the 15th of October 2024, Chris Kondo conducted an insider purchase of 8,115 shares of common stock. On the same day, Chris Kondo also executed an insider sale of 3,985 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 15th of October 2024, Chris Kondo sold 1,898 shares of restricted stock units. Furthermore, on that date, Chris Kondo sold 2,077 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.492. In total, insiders acquired 2,069,882 shares and divested 3,603,722 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $211.94, reflecting a decrease of 5.86%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, contributing to a lower risk profile. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal based on a pivot bottom established 7 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators. However, we do not believe these are sufficient to label it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more appropriate to consider Apple as a hold candidate, which means maintaining or slowly accumulating shares while we await further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 14th of November, we anticipate that Apple will open down by approximately 27 cents and begin trading at $224.84. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please do not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.